Good morning. How are you feeling today? Good morning. How are you feeling today? The sun is shining brightly outside. The sun is shining brightly outside. Have you had your morning coffee yet? Have you had your morning coffee yet? Could you please hand me the newspaper? Could you please hand me the newspaper? I need to finish this report before noon. I need to finish this report before noon. Can you provide some advice on this matter? Can you provide some advice on this matter? Let's grab lunch together later. Let's grab lunch together later. What are your plans for the upcoming weekend? What are your plans for the upcoming weekend? I'll be available after 3 p.m. I'll be available after 3 p.m. Remember to buy milk on your way home. Remember to buy milk on your way home. Would you like a sandwich or a salad for lunch? Would you like a sandwich or a salad for lunch? How was your commute to work today? How was your commute to work today? Let's enjoy a leisurely walk in the evening. Let's enjoy a leisurely walk in the evening. Did you watch the latest episode of that show? Did you watch the latest episode of that show? I have to make an urgent phone call. I have to make an urgent phone call. Could you recommend a good Italian restaurant? Could you recommend a good Italian restaurant? I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat? I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat? Let's clean up the house before guests arrive. Let's clean up the house before guests arrive. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Thanks a lot for your help. Thanks a lot for your help. How's your day been going so far? How's your day been going so far? Could you lend me your pen for a minute? Could you lend me your pen for a minute? When does the meeting start tomorrow? When does the meeting start tomorrow? Looking forward to catching up with you soon. Looking forward to catching up with you soon. Let's dine out at that new restaurant tonight. Let's dine out at that new restaurant tonight. Can you turn down the volume a bit? Can you turn down the volume a bit? Any exciting plans for the upcoming holidays? Any exciting plans for the upcoming holidays? Have you ever visited that museum? Have you ever visited that museum? Sorry to hear that. Is there anything I can do? Sorry to hear that. Is there anything I can do? I just want to unwind and relax tonight. I just want to unwind and relax tonight. What's your favorite genre of music to listen to? What's your favorite genre of music to listen to? Tea or coffee in the morning? What's your pick? Tea or coffee in the morning? What's your pick? Can you believe it's already Friday tomorrow? Can you believe it's already Friday tomorrow? How about we have dinner at that fancy place? How about we have dinner at that fancy place? Did you catch the news this morning? Did you catch the news this morning? Feeling exhausted. I could use a power nap. Feeling exhausted. I could use a power nap. Would you like some refreshments? Would you like some refreshments? What time does the movie start tonight? What time does the movie start tonight? Let's plan a shopping trip for this weekend. Let's plan a shopping trip for this weekend. How's your family doing these days? How's your family doing these days? Traffic was terrible today. I'm sorry for the delay. Traffic was terrible today. I'm sorry for the delay. Need a hand with carrying those bags? Need a hand with carrying those bags? Let's go for a scenic hike this weekend. Let's go for a scenic hike this weekend. What's your all-time favorite movie? What's your all-time favorite movie? Do you need any assistance with your homework? Do you need any assistance with your homework? Let's hit the gym together sometime. Let's hit the gym together sometime. Could I get you a refill on your drink? Could I get you a refill on your drink? What's your favorite pastime on weekends? What's your favorite pastime on weekends? Let's grab some ice cream after dinner. Let's grab some ice cream after dinner. How about we go for a bike ride tomorrow? How about we go for a bike ride tomorrow? I'll pick you up around 7 in the evening. I'll pick you up around 7 in the evening. How about catching a movie this weekend? How about catching a movie this weekend? Feeling a bit overwhelmed with work today. Feeling a bit overwhelmed with work today. Can I help you with those heavy bags? Can I help you with those heavy bags? Let's take a dip in the pool. Let's take a dip in the pool. Any plans for a Netflix binge tonight? Any plans for a Netflix binge tonight? How about going for a jog this evening? How about going for a jog this evening? What TV series are you currently hooked on? What TV series are you currently hooked on? Reflecting on how the day has gone by. Reflecting on how the day has gone by. Can't believe it's already October next week. Can't believe it's already October next week. Let's watch the sunset at the beach. Let's watch the sunset at the beach. What book are you currently reading? What book are you currently reading? Thinking of going on a vacation soon? Thinking of going on a vacation soon? Let's head to the nearest park. Let's head to the nearest park. I'm sorry, could you please repeat that? I'm sorry, could you please repeat that? We should tidy up before our guests arrive. We should tidy up before our guests arrive. Any hobbies you're passionate about? Any hobbies you're passionate about? Feeling a bit stressed out today. Feeling a bit stressed out today. How did you spend your weekend? How did you spend your weekend? Planning any getaways for the holidays? Planning any getaways for the holidays? Let's hit the gym for a workout session. Let's hit the gym for a workout session. Would you like a slice of cake? Would you like a slice of cake? What's your favorite sport to watch/play? What's your favorite sport to watch/play? I'm sorry to hear that. How can I assist you? I'm sorry to hear that. How can I assist you? Let's explore a new hiking trail. Let's explore a new hiking trail. What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food? Have you finalized your plans for the weekend? Have you finalized your plans for the weekend? Let's go for a bike ride this afternoon. Let's go for a bike ride this afternoon. How's your day shaping up so far? How's your day shaping up so far? December is just around the corner. December is just around the corner. Let's take a leisurely stroll along the river. Let's take a leisurely stroll along the river. What's your favorite cuisine to indulge in? What's your favorite cuisine to indulge in? Do you have any pets at home? Do you have any pets at home? Let's spend the day at the zoo. Let's spend the day at the zoo. I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat? I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat? Let's tidy up the house before guests arrive. Let's tidy up the house before guests arrive. What's your favorite way to unwind? What's your favorite way to unwind? Feeling a bit stressed out today. Feeling a bit stressed out today. How did your weekend go? How did your weekend go? Any plans for the upcoming holidays? Any plans for the upcoming holidays? Let's go for a jog in the park. Let's go for a jog in the park. Would you like some help with that? Would you like some help with that? Let's hit the slopes this winter. Let's hit the slopes this winter. What's your all-time favorite movie? What's your all-time favorite movie? Do you need any help with your homework? Do you need any help with your homework? Let's hit the pool for a swim. Let's hit the pool for a swim. Can I help you with those bags? Can I help you with those bags? How about we go for a run this morning? How about we go for a run this morning? What's your favorite TV show to binge watch? What's your favorite TV show to binge watch? I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with work today. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with work today.